recipes for all the garlic lovers. I'm going to show you guys a very simple garlic fried rice and a nice mushroom gravy to go with it. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step to the garlic fried rice is to fry the garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, I've chopped about 20 cloves of garlic. So you can see the garlic is chopped very fine. Keep the flame on medium and fry the chopped garlic till it comes to a nice golden brown color. You can see the flavor of the garlic will be infused into the oil. You can see the garlic is fried to a nice golden brown color. Turn off the stove. Now I'm going to remove half of the garlic and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add a bunch of thinly sliced spring onion whites. Next I'm going to add 1 small onion finely chopped. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I've added a little salt while cooking the rice. You can check for seasoning and add a little salt if required. Add the cooked long grain basmati rice. To make it a little spicy, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, some freshly crushed pepper, top it off with some spring onion greens. So gently mix everything together. After mixing the rice, check for seasoning. So if you require more spice or salt, you can add it at this point. Turn off the stove. I'm going to make a simple mushroom side dish to go with the garlic fried rice. Take a pan, add a little oil. First I'm going to add a few ginger juliennes. Next add thinly sliced garlic. To this add 1 onion that's cut into wedges. I have 200 grams of mushrooms that I've roughly cut up into large pieces. Season it with some salt, some freshly ground pepper. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Next add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. To give it a little more heat, I'm going to add some dried chilies that I've cut up into half. To give it a little crunch, I'm going to add some spring onion whites. I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour, dissolve it in half cup of water. To make a gravy, pour this corn flour mixture into the pan. So now I'm going to add some water to get a desired gravy consistency. Finally add the spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. So here is a very simple mushroom side dish for your garlic fried rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This also makes for a good lunchbox recipe. You can use any gravy. If not mushrooms, you can also make it with some tofu or other vegetables. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.